Hello there and welcome to UK Lockpickers, and if you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page. This is a demonstration today for our two-in-one pick and decoder. This is the Ultion 3-star lock. We don't have a key for it, and I'll just show you it is locked up. Now these can either go in 10 minutes or 10 seconds. We shall see what we can do today. So let's have a look. Ten seconds. Now, if you wanted to decode this lock, how you would go about it is you would then go to pin 1, and you can see it stops on. Let's have a look. Now you can see it stops on number. So look at this, trying to see through the camera, on number 3, and then you go to pin 2 and it stops on number 3. Pin 3 stops on number 1. Pin 4 stops on number 4. 5 stops on 5, and 6 stops on number 3. So that would be your code for this lock. So that's the demonstration today for the Ultion 3-star with the 2-in-1 pick and decoder. Thanks for watching, and we shall see you next time.